How to hide liked videos in TikTok. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your device. After the TikTok app opens, you have to click on your profile that is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on Settings, which is on the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now click on the second option, that is Privacy. Now scroll a little bit down and you'll find the option called Liked Videos. Click on it. Now here you have to set the settings as Only Me so that nobody can view your liked videos. Now let's check if others can still see our liked videos or not. So I'm going to check from another account. Here I have logged in another account where I'm going to search the profile of that account and just click on that account and see their liked videos. Here you can see that it's not visible to others. So you can follow the earlier steps in order to keep your liked videos private. So this is how you keep your liked videos private and not visible to others. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our YouTube channel.